Carlson Easy Fold Go Pet Stroller. Included parts are stroller frame and 2 front wheels. To use stroller, unhook side lock, hold onto stroller handle and lift stroller upwards until it locks in place. Attach front wheels to stroller frame. Includes clip-in leash. Canopy fully zips, keeping your pet safely contained. To lock rear wheels, press down on footbar. To unlock rear wheels, lift up on footbar. To collapse stroller, slide top button while pushing on bottom button. To secure in place, apply side lock. Enjoy your new pet stroller.